Hello, and welcome to the Clinical Research Coordinator Associates of Applied Sciences degree info session. We are excited to help you start your journey toward a rewarding career as a clinical research coordinator. This program offers spring and fall starts to help students enter the clinical research workforce successfully. Meet your success team. Advisors are here to help answer your questions and ensure you have the resources necessary to be successful. If you are a new student, new to Pima Community College, you will start with the enrollment advisor. They can guide you through the Pima admissions process and connect you orientation. Once you are ready to apply to the program, you will need to connect with Sylvia, who is your program advisor. She can answer questions about the program requirements, help you create a degree plan, and connect you to Pima's resources. Rita is also a good resource to answer questions specific to the CRC AAS program. Together, Sylvia and Rita will be here for a smooth transition into the program. Once you are registered for classes, you will meet your CRC instructors. Program schedule for Year 1 includes the following courses. Please pause to review the courses and sequence. You will notice that each semester requires 15 credits, but it is recommended that you take 2 courses in the first 8 weeks, 1 16-week course, and 2 courses in the second 8 weeks. For example, you should take Success in Health Professions and Leadership for Health Professionals in the first 8 weeks, along with Math 142. In the second 8 weeks, you will continue taking Math 142, as it is a 16-week course, and complete Writing 101 along with medical terminology. In the second semester, Anatomy and Physiology is offered as a 16-week course, while Biomedical Ethics, Intro to Clinical Research, Basic Health Professional Skills, and Intro to Health Professions are offered in an 8-week format. The program schedule for Year 2 is similar to Year 1 in that you will complete 2 first 8-week courses alongside a 16-week course and then complete 2 second 8-week courses. In Semester 1, your 16-week course is the Integrative Career Prep 1 course. This is an in-person course offered at the West Campus. The remaining CRC courses listed are offered online. In the second semester, the Integrative Career Prep course and the Phlebotomy course are offered in person at our West Campus. PHB 150 IN can be taken in a 16-week or 8-week format, while CRC 276 IN is offered as a 16-week course. The remaining courses listed are offered in an 8-week fully online format. Program overview. You can complete 80% of the program fully online and 20% of the program in person at the West Campus, located at 2202 W Anklam Road in our state-of-the-art Center of Excellence building. You will work alongside research professionals in the career prep courses in your final 2 semesters. You will learn clinical skills such as collecting vital signs, drawing lab specimens, and how to work effectively as a research professional. Our goal is to maintain patient safety and data integrity. Admissions process. Work with your program advisor to submit your program application to the email listed. The application is different than the college application. Once the program director reviews all submitted applications, you will receive a notification of either approved, denied, or incomplete. The notification will list your next steps, so be sure to read the notification thoroughly. If accepted to the next starting cohort, you will need to complete the mandatory orientation. The orientation date, location, and time will be provided. Finally, you are ready to register for classes. Financial assistance. Be sure to log on to the college's Financial Aid and Scholarships webpage to learn more about financial assistance and scholarship opportunities. Finally, we are here to help, and we look forward to welcoming you to the program. Should you have any questions, please contact Sylvia and Rita.